Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to start by making the gasket pliable and getting a secure hold. Run the lid under warm water for about 30 to 60 seconds so the rubber expands slightly, and empty the bottle. Use dry towels to grip both the lid and the base. This prevents slipping and lets you apply steady torque. Once done, angle the bottle so you can see the seam, then give a controlled counterclockwise twist while keeping your wrist aligned to avoid stripping the threads. If the lid resists, work it progressively rather than forcing it. Tap the outer edge gently with a silicone utensil to break any vacuum lock, and wrap a warm, damp cloth around the lid for 1 to 2 minutes to loosen the seal. Avoid boiling water that can warp parts. You can then use a strap wrench or rubber jar opener. Position it low on the lid and apply steady, even counterclockwise torque. Make sure to pause and reapply heat. Once the threads break free, continue a few turns and lift the lid straight off to avoid catching the gasket. Inspect the rubber seal and metal threads. Clean both with mild soap and warm water, then dry completely before reassembly to prevent odors and corrosion. If the lid won't budge or threads are rounded, use padded pliers for extra grip. Wrap both surfaces with cloth to protect finishes, or consider replacing the lid or gasket. If leaks persist after reassembly, reseat the gasket carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.